What is fashion design anyway? By definition, fashion design is the art of applying design, aesthetics, clothing construction, and natural beauty to clothing. But before we look at what a designer does, we have to look at being a designer. What does that mean? Let's break it down. I want you to start by looking at your mindset, your belief system. What are those core beliefs, consciously or unconsciously, that represent who you are? What is the story that you tell yourself about yourself? Do you have any negative narrative about yourself that prevents you from being a designer? What are those stories, the old patterns that don't serve you anymore, that hold you back from being a successful designer? Sometimes these are hidden subconscious thoughts and beliefs that you operate from and you're not even aware of them. I want you to take a stand, a positive view about who you are as a designer, an empowering and supportive attitude on who you are. A stand is like a positive affirmation, a powerful statement that you say to yourself, such as, I'm a great designer, or I'm a creative, successful designer, and so on. Now, be aware of one thing. Make affirmations that your subconscious mind will believe and accept. Like, the universe is full of abundance and there are opportunities all around me, and I accept those opportunities. Why is this different? Well, because the universe is full of opportunities, you see, and your subconscious mind will believe and accept that. You see, you could have a great design, but if your mind is set to failure, like, oh, nobody's going to like my designs, or nobody's going to buy my designs, I'm too old to be a designer, I'm not creative enough, and so on, I can almost guarantee you that you're not going to make it as a designer. Create positive, empowering affirmations to redefine who you are as a designer. Have the right mindset for success. Set your mind to success. You have to truly believe that you can do this 100%. And you have to be accountable for the results in your life. Take responsibility for what's not working and take action to change it. Successful people take full responsibility for what's happening in their lives. Stop blaming other people and circumstances as to why you're not where you want to be. Take ownership, take a stand, and take action. See you in the next video. Welcome to Fashion Premier Academy. I will see you in class.